Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the exercise 2B, in which we have to do the first question is compare the following numbers and put this sign in the circle. See, I'm taking first one example, comparing of numbers. Okay, so I have taken one example here: 343, 462, 79 and 65. Okay, always remember when you want to compare the numbers, first you see the number of digit in each numbers, then only it is possible to compare easily. See, first number is having 3 digit, and this number second also is having 3 digit. So we have to compare this both number first. When we are comparing these two numbers, this is 343 and this is 462. It means 343 is smaller than 462, or here two digit numbers are there. This is 65 and 79. So by this we came to know 79 is greater than 65. When question is asking us to arrange the number or to put the sign smaller or greater, in this case you need to find the number smaller or bigger. So whenever you want to find the number is largest or smallest, so you have to see first, check first the number of digit carrying a number. See another example. This is the 4 digit number, and then again 3 digit, this is 4 digit, and this is 3 digit number. Okay, if I want to see the smallest number, so how can I will see? I know that this is 4 and this is also 4, so this should be kept separate because I want to find the smallest first. And 349 and 501 I have to compare with these two numbers because it is having 3 digit number. So 343 is the smallest number. Okay, if I want to see the largest number, so 2127 is the largest because these two are 4 digit, and in which this 2127 is larger. Okay, I hope you will understand this, how to compare the number. Whenever you want to compare the number, first find the number of digit a number carrying. Okay, so come to the question number 1. Compare the following numbers and put the sign in the circles. Okay, or I have made this dashes. So in A part, this is 38,50,920. Okay, it carries 7 digits. Here also it has 7 digit number. So when in both the numbers digits are same, we have to compare from the last number. This is 38 lakh, this is also 38 lakh here, 50,000 here also 50,000. See, 920 here is 8. So which is greater? This is greater and this is smaller. So I have put this sign. This 38 lakh 50,920 is greater than 38 lakh 50,008. Come to the B1. It has 8 digit. 3, then 5, 7 and 8. So this is and here see 3, 5, 7 and 8. Both the number carrying 8 digits. So we have to see the last digit. Here it is 3 crores, and here it is 8 crores. We know that the 3 crores is smaller than 8 crores. So we have to put this smaller sign to compare these two numbers. So come to the next one. Here also both the number are carrying the same number of digit, but see this digit in crores are same in both the numbers, but in place of lakh, here it is 8 lakh and here it is 1 lakh. So you know that this 8 lakh will be greater than number which is carrying 1 lakh. Okay, so this number is 6 crores 8 lakh 92,740, and here 6 crore 1 lakh 70,002. Okay, come to the fourth one. This also carrying 8 digits. Here is also 8 digits, and these two numbers are in place of crores both the numbers are same, and in lakh also both the number are same, but in thousand here it is 44,000, here is 87,000. So you know that 44,000 will be smaller than 87. So this number is 7 crore 1,44,625. Here 7 crore 1,87,836. So this 44,625 will be smaller than the next number. So a smaller sign has to be written. Okay. Now fill in the smallest number in the box to make the given statement true. Okay. This first statement is telling us that 74,486 is smaller than this number. Okay. So see, I told you first to compare from here. Both the number is having the same number of digits. 74 is here, 74 is also here. So both the numbers are same only. Here 86 is given and 93 is this. So already by seeing this at tens place we came to know this number is greater than that number. So definitely the third number or the number in hundreds place should be same. So here also 4. So I have written here also 4 so that it will be become smaller than this number. Okay. Come to this question. Here it is given 7 crore 24 lakhs 56,780 and the question is asking us this number is smaller than that. So definitely in crores place the number should be greater. So the next number after 7 is 8. So you have to fill here 8. Okay. You cannot able to fill any other number. Okay. Like that you have to do this also. Come to the question number 3. Find out the smallest number and the largest number in each groups. So some numbers are given in A and as well as in B. I told you whenever we are comparing the number we have to find the number of digit in particular number. Okay. So see. This is 71 crores 33 lakhs 45,207. This is 71 crores. Okay. Here it is 8 crores. Here it is 4 crores. Here again 72 crores and here it is 9 crores. Okay. I am seeing on only the last digit because we are reading from the last and counting from here once. So by this I came to know these two numbers is having the 9 digit and other 3 numbers are having 8 digit. Okay. So actually I want to find the smallest. So to find the smallest number we know that these two number we cannot take to find the smallest number because it has the 9 digit. So compare with these 3 numbers. This is 9 crores, 8 crores and 4 crores. So 4 crore will be the smallest. You know that the 4 is the smallest from 8, 9 and 4. And here see, it is 71 crores. Here it is 72 crores. So the number which starting from 72 it will be the largest number. I hope you will understand. First you count the number of digit, then start comparing. Okay. See the B1. In B1 it is written 40 lakhs 4. Here it is 4 crore 7. Here is 48 lakh 53,644. Here is 68 lakhs 80,808. And the last one is 4 crores 44 lakh 44,444. So again we have to compare with the numbers which is having the same number of digit. These two are having same number of digit and it has each digit and other number carrying only the 7 digit. So first if you want to find the smallest you see the number which is carrying 7 digits. Okay. So here it is 40 lakhs. Here it is 48 lakhs and in this 68 lakhs. So which is smaller? This is smaller which is start from 40 lakhs. Okay. Now comparison with the number which is carrying more digit. It means this number is carrying 8 digits. So in 8 digits it is 4 crores then 7. Here 4 crores 44 lakh 44,444. So this is the largest number. Okay, see this. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to write the smallest number first, then the greatest number should be at last. Okay, means smaller to larger, smaller to larger. Again, you have to compare the number in this question also. So whenever you are comparing, first you check the number of digit a number carried. Okay, in first question, this is 48 lakh 28,632. Here 35 lakh 37,286. Here it is 19 lakh 95,764. 49 lakh 89,632. So by reading this question, we came to know all the numbers are carrying the same number of digits. Okay, 7 digits. So it is easy to find out. This is 48 lakh, here 35 lakh, here 19 lakh, and here 49 lakh. Okay, so it is very easy to find out. So 19 lakh will be the smaller, 90 lakh 95,764 will be the smallest, because it is 19 is smaller than 35 lakh also, 48 lakhs also, and 49 lakh also. See the last number first. If we will able to find compare with the last number, no need to read the next. Okay, so this 19 lakh 95,764. Then after writing this, you have to find the next smallest from these three, because this number is already written by you, so no need to compare with this. Only we are comparing with the remaining three. So 35 lakh 37,286 is the smallest in these three. Then now, because this two number is already written by us, so we will compare with 48 lakh 28,632 and 49 lakh 89,632. So here it is 48, here it is 49. So we obviously know 48 will be the smaller than 49, and 49 lakh 89,632 will be the last number. By this you can arrange. When the question is asking you to arrange by arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to bigger. First you have to find the smallest number, then bigger number, then after more bigger, then it at last the largest number will be come, and B you have to do by your own. I already explained this, so I don't feel that it will be difficult now. See the question number 5. Question number 5 is asking you arrange the following number in descending order. Now you have to arrange the descending. Descending means the largest to smallest. First you have to write the largest number, then smallest, then smallest, then smallest, and the smallest number will be in at last. Okay, the smallest number will be in last. Just compare with the number of digits. So the first number is given 30 lakh 8,568. This number is carrying how many digits? This carrying more digit. It is 7 crores 88 lakhs. So this is 30 lakh, this is 7 crores. So we can keep this number separate. And this is 2 lakh 99,868, and the last number is again 2 crores 76,930. Okay, so we came to know that these two numbers is carrying 8 digit. So we have to compare with this to 8 digit number. Okay, so in this to 8 digit number, you found that 7 crore is the bigger than 2 crore. So 7 crore 88 lakh 72,003 will be the first number, because this is the largest number in these 4 numbers. Then next will be this crores. Okay, 2 crore 76,930. Since we have written these two number, now comparing with another remaining things. Remaining is this is 2 lakh. and here it is 30 lakhs. So obviously 30 lakh will be the greater, the next number will be here, and the smallest number will come at last. This is 2,99,868. I hope you will understand till question number 5, and the next one is done for you. Understand and do by your